Welcome back to CFN Live. In national news, Catholic Health and the Cradle of Aviation Museum collaborated in a Veterans Day event to support veterans with free flu shots, screenings, and a lot more. Take a look.
Well, we've partnered with Catholic Health Services and Fans for the Cure to encourage veterans to come into the museum to get primarily the PSA tested. So this is a great event on Veterans Day. They can come in here and see the museum with a guest for free, but they get some very important testing done here as well. And it's any opportunity we have to thank veterans is important. This museum is dedicated to a lot of the work and sacrifices made by veterans, not just on Long Island, but in the New York area. We are based at what was Mitchell Field, which is an Army air base that dates back to World War I. Everything in the collection, and there's about 75 planes and spacecraft in the collection, has a connection to Long Island and the New York metro area. We're an educational institution for STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. We have a 300-seat dome, planetarium, and theater. So it's a great day for families to come indoors, see a lot of the history connected to Long Island. We have everything from Charles Lindbergh's first plane he ever owned to the lunar module. A lot of Long Islanders don't even know that we built all the lunar modules that took us to the moon 6 times. And we have one here that would have gone to the moon. So that's kind of our crown jewel. Well, I think the unfortunate thing is Veterans Day is only once a year. So it's kind of once a year that everybody really thanks the veterans for their sacrifices. We like to say you should do it every day. What they sacrificed and what their families did is you can't repay. And so this, in a small way, allows them to come in and get some great services from Catholic Health, which, by the way, is a great new partner of the Cradle. But also, they can enjoy themselves and their family coming to the museum today.
Today's a great privilege for Catholic Health to be here to honor our veterans, to salute them for the incredible sacrifices they make to protect our country, to protect our liberties. And we want to be here to offer our veterans, those who have served our nation so valiantly, we want to serve them now in body, mind, and spirit. So we're here to provide screenings to them. We're here to support them. We're here to say thank you for the incredible service they've given to our beloved country. There's prostate screening for sure, flu shots, all kinds of behavioral pieces, so anybody who needs any emotional support, and even pastoral care. So I'm here today as well to support our veterans in any way. Catholic Health is always about serving all of our patients all the time with great excellence, body, mind, and spirit. Absolutely. On a personal level, I am a veteran. I was a Marine infantryman many years ago, and so I'm a very proud veteran, very proud to be a Marine, and very proud to serve all my fellow veterans in any of their needs. So we're here and we're in this together. We want to serve them. We want to be part of this important day to salute them.
We're delighted to be partnering with the Cradle of Aviation Museum as well as with Catholic Health with this opportunity on Veterans Day to open the doors to veterans, to tell them to please come and take possession of their health and take a simple PSA blood test that could potentially save their lives from prostate cancer. I myself was diagnosed with the disease at the age of 47, which is pretty young for prostate cancer, through a blood test, and we are just so grateful to be here today. It's just such a great partnership, the great work that Catholic Health does, and Cradle of Aviation Museum, which evokes memories of the greatness of this country and all that we have done. So we're just a tiny part of this, and we're just very grateful to be with them.
We visited here when this was an actual Air Force base. And so many years later, turn around, and we're looking, they're always looking for volunteers, and I happen to come in here, and it's after retiring from the Air Force and commercial aviation, this was a good place for me to come and pay it forward.
A great story and a great place to visit, believe me.